Augustown declared a zone of special operations. Prime Minister issues tablets to schools and opens Gale Police Station and Civic Centre. You're watching Jamaica House Weekly. I'm Anthony Morgan.
I have declared a zone of special operations under the law reform Zones of Special Operations, Special Security and Community Development Measures Act 2017. The law reform Zones of Special Operations, Special Security and Community Development Measures Augustown Zone Order 2020 has been gazetted.
As he announced the Augustown ZOSA on Wednesday, Prime Minister Andrew Holness said the community had been contributing significantly to the level of crime in the St. Andrew Central Police Division.
Based on the assessment, there is an urgent need for intervention. The presence of major gangs in the community, as well as a number of other less organized gangs, has over the years contributed to the level of crime. Additionally, the criminal activities of these gangs are not only restricted to the geographical boundaries of the community, but have negatively affected other areas.
Police statistics show that since the start of the year, Augustown has recorded 7 murders and 14 shootings. On Thursday, the Prime Minister was at Balcombe Drive Primary School, where he delivered computers under government's Tablets for Teachers program.
The use of technology to enhance teaching and learning through digital inclusion and digital literacy has been a key objective of the government. The temporary closure of schools as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic has reinforced the need for us to accelerate progress in achieving this objective.
25,000 tablets have been secured for teachers across the island. Thursday afternoon, the Prime Minister officially opened the revamped $26.5 million Ligani Avenue roadway. The new development includes a new bridge, 2 wider lanes, upgraded curbs and sidewalk extensions, as well as improved drainage.
First-class infrastructure attracts investments, and it creates a first-class location. Development follows areas where they find the best roads and the best bridges. So I'm certain that the development of the road and the bridge is going to be followed by other developments here.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness hopped over to St. Mary Friday for the opening of the renovated Gale Police Station and Multipurpose Centre. The $85 million structure was facilitated under the Citizen Security and Justice Program through loans and grants from the Canadian and UK governments and the Inter-American Development Bank. Phase 1 of the project, which began in 2019, saw to the revamping of a police post, courthouse, conference and office areas, as well as a computer lab. The second phase will include the construction of an auditorium. The Heart NSTA Trust will provide training programs at the facility. These will be in the areas of commercial food preparation, data operations, and positions in the business process outsourcing sector.
This is a very positive development that would enhance community police relations. It should promote constructive dialogue on community concerns in the course of defining community solutions within the context of community governance. This is the way we can move forward in reducing crime and violence in our neighborhoods and focus our resources on building healthy, productive, and meaningful lives.
And that's it for Jamaica House Weekly. Be sure to join us next time for more of the news stories coming out of the office of the Prime Minister.